Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing a room tour of the Pyramid Premier 2 Queen room at the Luxor, Las Vegas. This is one of their newer remodeled rooms in the Pyramid Tower. Has 2 queen beds, little closet, flat screen TV, ice bucket, 2 sitting chairs, desk and a lamp, and we're in the Pyramid Tower, and you can see the castle next door. Picture on the wall. Now we'll go into the bathroom. Okay, now we'll go into the bathroom. And you got your sink, toilet, and a shower. One of those new showers that I don't really like that doesn't have a full door. That's going to complete the tour of the Premier Queen room in the Luxor, Las Vegas.